Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable iMessage on iPhone. Fix activation problems step by step clearly. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap General and then tap About. Check your iOS version and install any available update from Settings. General, Software Update. Go back to Settings and tap Wi-Fi. Connect to a strong Wi-Fi network, or make sure cellular data is working reliably. Open Safari and load a website to confirm your internet connection is active. Return to Settings and tap Date and Time. Turn on Set Automatically to avoid activation errors caused by wrong time settings. Go back to Settings and scroll to Messages. Turn on iMessage and wait a few minutes for activation. If you see Waiting for Activation, keep the screen open and stay connected to the internet. If activation fails, turn iMessage off. Wait 10 seconds, and turn it on again. Now tap Send and Receive under Messages. Confirm your Apple ID is correct, and select the phone number and email addresses you want to use. If you are not signed in, tap Use your Apple ID for iMessage and sign in. Go back to Settings and tap FaceTime. Turn FaceTime on to help Apple's messaging services register properly. If FaceTime also fails to activate, sign out of Apple ID in Messages and FaceTime. Then sign in again. Go to Settings and tap Cellular. Then make sure your SIM line is enabled. If you recently changed SIM or carrier, restart your iPhone to refresh network registration. Restart your iPhone by holding the power button. Then slide to power off. Then turn it back on. After restart, go to Settings, Messages, and check if iMessage is activated. If it still does not work, toggle airplane mode on for 10 seconds, then turn it off. Check that you can send standard SMS by sending a normal text message to a contact. If SMS fails, contact your carrier because iMessage activation may require SMS capability. If you use VPN or security profiles, disable VPN temporarily in Settings. VPN. Go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone. Reset. And choose Reset Network Settings if problems continue. After the reset, reconnect to Wi-Fi. Return to Messages, and try turning iMessage on again. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.